Hi there, this is Phil. I'm going to tell you a little bit about modifications to the focus of the Hubsan H502C. If you've watched previous videos, you will know that there were problems with the focus. There's also a problem with the guards getting in the way of the camera, both of which I have fixed, I think. So what we did earlier this week was we took the drone to pieces. That was very difficult. There were lots of screws. The screws look quite similar, so be careful. Get some decent small screwdrivers before you try and do that. With a bit of luck, there will be some photographs appearing in this video here as I am speaking, which will show you a couple of the steps and how messy it looks, so just be very careful. Set your workspace else when you're doing that piece of work. What I did was I took this drone here, took it apart, and this camera here has a fixed focus. It focuses from X meters to infinity. The barrel was not wound the right place, so I turned the barrel in 1/8 of a turn increments until I got the best focus that I could. It took me 65 separate pictures before I was happy. If you're doing well, it'll take you less than that. And at the end of it, we got decent photographs. And with a bit of luck, there'll also be some of those photographs appearing in this video now, if I can get them to sit on top of this. What I also did is I removed some parts of the guard. Now, it's as if when they designed this drone, they didn't realise it would have a wide-angle camera in it. So the guard used to be like this on the front, well, on each 4 corners. What I've done is I've taken a pair of snips to it and I've just removed that part. So I've got some bits this shape, 4 of those left over. They can go in the bin. So you'll see on the front now the guards point out to the side. Now I've also done the same on the back in order to balance it, but the rotors are still protected. So with a bit of luck, this will work. So what I'm going to do now is go and fly this. Let's see if it takes off and lands okay. So I've set the compass. What the photographs look like. We've got enough satellites and she's ready to fly. Let's see how it goes. Coming back into land now. Hopefully everything's fine. We'll take a look at the photographs in a short while. Hopefully we can all agree that those photos are a lot better than the ones that I had before. Not perfect, but this is not a DJI. This is not a £1,000 drone. This is not a £600 drone. This is a £100 drone. So this will be good enough to throw up in the air and take pictures of our camper van when we're on holiday and show what a nice time we're having.